How to enable dark mode on Kimi AI. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech, and in this video we are gonna learn if we can easily enable the dark mode on the Kimi AI application using your smartphone or tablets. So let's get started. First things first, launch open the Kimi AI application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, from the home page, go to the upper left corner and tap on the 3 horizontal menu button. In the expanded menu, click on your name at the top of the screen, and then this will open up the settings menu. From the settings menu, look for the theme settings option and tap on it. And on the next page, to enable dark mode, tap on the dark mode option. Soon after you tap on this option, you'll see that the Kimi AI's interface has now switched to a dark background. So that's it. That is how you enable the dark mode on Kimi AI application, whether you are using a mobile device or tablets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.